Sometimes they don't come with notches on them to where you can get where's the master tool kit, the master tie rod kit. Sometimes they don't come with notches, so you can fit one of them tools over there. So if you have an air grinder and an air hammer, well, this ain't an air grinder, this is an electric grinder. What you do is you cut a little notch in here. I'll demonstrate. I cut this off just so because they bent it. They hit something, they went mudding and all kinds of stuff. So a little notch there. Try and get it off without putting the torch to it first. If not, then I'll heat it up. Because heat's your best friend. This is how you do it. Have to be torched. There it went. Finally, the shoes on there good. And then you can get you some tires. I don't know if you're seeing this. I hope you are. Oh. See, she's loose now. So, it's your rag. Oh yeah, it's still pretty fucking hot. Don't want to rip with the rag. Sorry, I'm trying to hold this with one hand and record. I mean, I'm sure you probably get the gist of it. You know how to take this off. Bam, there it is. And see, the reason why I did it the way I did, because there isn't no notches on this one. It's just round all the way around. It's just a round tie rod, inner tie rod. So I cut a notch in it to where I could get the air hammer on it and knock it loose. But yeah, that's how it's done. That's my way, one way of doing it.